This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Tarecgosa's rest mount. First, you'll need to begin the questline in Dragonblight. Look for the initial quest, a legendary engagement, which is crucial for starting your journey. Ensure your character is at least level 85 to qualify for this epic undertaking. This legendary staff transforms you into a blue dragon, offering a unique experience. Next, you'll embark on a material gathering phase. You need to collect 25 smoldering essences, which drop from bosses within the Firelands raid. Additionally, gather 1,000 seething cinders from the various trash mobs found throughout the same raid. Finally, purchase 3 sands of time from a vendor located in Uldum. These items are vital for progressing the quest. With your materials in hand, it's time to forge the legendary staff. You must complete the Heart of Flame quest, which involves defeating Ragnaros in the Firelands raid. After this, combine all your collected essences and cinders to create the branch of Nordrassil. The final step is to infuse this branch with the Heart of Flame, culminating in the creation of Tarecgosa's Rest. Finally, with Tarecgosa's Rest in your possession, return to the quest giver to complete your epic journey. You will then officially receive the legendary staff, which allows you to transform into a majestic blue dragon. This unique mount offers a fantastic way to travel and showcase your achievement. Remember to check the description for a link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals. Enjoy your new legendary mount.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.